Hello, my name is Kedar Hardikar and I'm making this video to introduce my recently published book, Abstract Intersections, A Poetic Journey Through Mathematics. This is a new kind of poetry that is inspired by celebrated theorems and concepts in mathematics. The idea is to look at life experiences through a mathematical lens. This is to engage in different human emotions and provoke deep contemplation in a very different manner. On its face, you might think that poetry and mathematics are very disjoint domains, but hopefully through this book, you can see that they can blend quite well in harmony. And here, I'm going to provoke emotional and contemplative reactions through a poem that is based on mathematical concepts. So here is an example from the book. The title of this poem is A Living Bayesian. This poem is about Bayes' theorem, which has a couple of centuries of history, very rich history. And Bayes' theorem, as you may know, is about what is called inverse probability. It asks you to compute probability of causes given the effect has happened. This is counter to the elementary lessons in probability where you're computing probability of an outcome given the causes. So here you go, a living Bayesian. Early in one summer, the morning hour had arrived with some thunder. Startled and disturbed, I looked out of the window. The sun was yet to arrive. Why am I up? I wondered. My neighbor's cat then just knocked on the door. At this hour? What an unusual time, I thought. Around this time, I usually snore. The day stood out from the rest, disturbing the expectations and patterns. Thunder had struck with some jest. Why was it not like yesterday and the day before? Is there a reason for things to be the same? In response, asked my core. This simple question had sent chills down my spine. When I see unusual, how do I find a definite cause to assign? Illusions of my making in a moment had then shattered. In every occurrence, significant or insignificant, my efforts, wisdom, choices, and along with it, coincidences and my luck all seem to have mattered. Did I learn and progress by regression or correlation? Was my inner making a work of mere determination? Or was my present reality always a Bayesian creation? Why did I tie effort and success in one thread as cause and effect? It dawned upon me in the dark morning hour that in my perception lied some defect. The lost sailor at sea the previous night was by his fate found and rescued. The key to my transformation lied in seeing then how this search was to be probabilistically viewed. The story from 1740s then flashed on my ceiling. With open eyes, I looked inside. My pride needed some healing. Beliefs and truth are intertwined. In the fabric of my everyday dealing, I was and am a living Bayesian was a new and humble feeling. When the data changes, I try to change my belief. Instead of carrying the burden of certainty, I strive for this evolution and long for this relief. Such timely thunders in life, I thought, provide valuable pauses. Now I know why centuries-old doctrine of chances asked us to step away from certainty and think probability of causes. Thank you. This is Abstract Intersections. The book is available on Amazon worldwide. I hope you get to enjoy the book. Thank you.